Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRS. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis several times before. I can't remember the last time I've done it, to be honest, but a lot of eyeballs on it today. Gap down, big volume, so want to get some things mapped out from the technical perspective as we head into the weekend. So we'll just start with kind of, I don't want to say obvious, because if you're new to charts, then this wouldn't be obvious to you. But if you are familiar with charts, even in a very basic way, then I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day simple moving average, which on my chart is being represented by that purple line. And as you can see, the price is literally bouncing and has bounced right off that level. And the big kind of question going into next week, and actually let me throw up this other level so it kind of makes more sense, is that this is also a pretty historic level from times in the past too, right around 640. And I should note, I don't want to come across like this is some great discovery on my part. A lot of people that understands charts, use charts, are seeing and wondering the same thing. And that big question is, the price is definitely getting around a pretty historic area. Not only do you, because of that 50-day simple moving average, again, that purple line, but also just because you have this previous green line here that has shown that on several occasions in the past, the price has indeed, been able to bounce up from it. So that's why I say that, there's kind of almost a double whammy here of supports where, yeah, if they don't hold, I'm not going to say everything's totally collapsing, but just from a technical perspective, that would be a pretty big sign of bearishness. Now, in the event 640 does break and cannot hold, next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of that consolidation area, and that sits down there essentially right at $6. So key overall levels of support, again, 640 and then $6. Now, in the event this does start to bounce, where are some of these levels of resistance at? As far as overall levels of resistance, initial key one going to be right up here at the $7 mark. If the price can get up through 7, then the next level of resistance after that would be the gap close location, which sits at about $7.40. So all in all, yeah, rough day, rough way to end the week. But, with the big volume, a lot of eyeballs on this one, could potentially be some sort of bounce. So I'll be keeping an eye on it, and we'll see how early next week plays out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.